Hi, my name is Jonathan Dwan, Director of Product Management for Nuvant Systems, an A3 global company. And in today's webinar, I'm going to cover why the EVd-40 Power Tester is essential for battery pack shops. In previous webinars, we have covered how the EVc30 battery reconditioner brings value to your business. The convenience and utility of a reconditioner makes it a key component of hybrid repair shops and battery businesses around the world. With the EVc30, you can recondition up to 30 modules at once, restoring any lost amp hour capacity to the modules. You have planned recipes that are included, covering many different types of vehicles, including the Toyota Prius and Toyota Camry Hybrid. Our instrument provides full module state of health reports, which will tell you the amp hour capacity, watt hour energy, internal resistance, and average voltage of every module. The EVc30 comes with our Pack Builder package, which is a software that allows you to organize your inventory and choose a module set based on specific parameters. The EVd-40 Power Tester was developed with input from our current customers and allows you to perform a load test on up to 40 modules. Any input test duration from 0 to 60 seconds, and you can identify any weak modules within a battery pack that would fail under high power discharge up to 45 amps. The EVd-40 also has charging capabilities with a sophisticated power supply that enables for CC-CV charging, which means constant current, constant voltage. How does the EVd-40 fit into the Nuvant A3 workflow system? Well, starting at your core inventory, you will remove modules from their enclosures, and those modules will then go to the EVc30 to be reconditioned. From there, those modules go into your inventory, and you will use the Pack Builder software to choose a module set, either 28, 34, depending on the type of battery pack you're building. This is where the EVd-40 comes in. Typically, before the EVd-40 was built, all rebuilt battery packs were placed into vehicles and test driven for a few miles to review any problem modules that might occur. The EVd-40 was developed to simulate this procedure with less time and labor. So you can discharge that battery pack under high current and simultaneously monitor the voltage of every individual module. This then allows you to remove any modules that would fail the test and replace with modules that are balanced within the rest of your pack. Once that battery pack then passes the power test, you can then place it inside your enclosure that you have either refurbished or replaced and build your battery pack, producing a battery pack inventory, which can then be installed into the vehicle. So the EVd-40, again, allows you to power test your battery packs. This, again, is monitoring module voltages of the voltages of every single module under high current pack discharge. This differs and is actually advantageous over the vehicle, where you can only monitor block voltages. So that is every 2 modules, not individual modules. The battery power tester can be used pre and post reconditioning. So you can use it before if you want to identify any faulty modules before reconditioning. And you should also use it post reconditioning. So this allows you to identify any modules in your built battery pack that would fail under high current discharge. The EVd-40 allows you to connect up to 40 channels in your battery pack using our universal module harness. And again, this instrument allows for CC-CV charging. That's a complex mixed mode CCCV charging protocol that allows you to charge both lithium-ion, NiCad, and lead-acid batteries in addition to nickel metal hydride. And you can also use the EVd40 to trickle charge, maintain your battery inventory. This slide here shows an example of EVd power test data. So this is a power test that is occurring after about 30 seconds. So once the modules are placed on that battery pack, we will then run the power test, and this shows the voltages of every module, all 34, while undergoing that 40 to 45 amp discharge. You can see that the two modules indicated are weak and they drop very high in voltage throughout that power test. So what you would have to do is replace those two modules with modules that are very similar in amp hour capacity, watt hour energy, and this is all from your battery module inventory. Looking at the universal harness, this harness consists of both a board and the battery cables, and they are compatible with different battery pack types, including the 20 module Prius C, 28 module Prius, 34 module Camry Hybrid, up to 40 modules, which are found in the GMC Yukon. The EVd40 comes with your built-in charging power supply, along with the universal harness cable and boards. The instrument also comes with a laptop that is equipped with the software to run the instrument, along with personal training that's available online, and we also include a user manual and instructional video. Here you can see how the EVd40 will save your shop both time and money. So before the power test unit was available, you would have to take your battery pack, install bus bars, cables in the enclosure, then install it into the vehicle, and then test drive that vehicle to identify any of those weak modules that only show themselves after high current discharge. Afterwards, if you have the EVd40, you can simply attach the EVd harness, power test the modules, identify any weak links, and you're good to go. So stop test driving every battery pack that you build and save time and money with the EVd40. In this case, only power test will take 15 minutes versus over 1 hour. So if you have any questions, please visit our website at nuvant.com, www.nuvant.com, and www.a3global.com. Here's my email. Please let me know if you have any questions, as well as our phone number. Thank you very much.